Hey guys, I have a quick product to show you. I just ordered these. These are Free makeup sponges, and what's nice about these is that, pull these out, they have a little holder included with them. So you can, so you get 3 different shapes. And you also get a brush in here. Oops, for your eyes. And now these are non-latex. They have high surface density, they reduce waste of cosmetics, and they spread your makeup evenly. Get a nice variety of differently cut surfaces, perfect for every corner of your face. They are soft and comfortable, and they feel simple to use and easy to clean. So when you open these up, you can pop them in the cup, and that way they can dry out when you wash them, so they can get air and circulating around them. And like I said, there's a variety of different shapes. And then you have this brow or eyeshadow brush. That comes with it too, so a lot of little goodies. I'll put a link. You'll see it's very nicely priced, and you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.